Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer for Module 20. We're continuing our series on free and open source software for SMEs. Listen, if you've been dying to build AI-powered internal tools but just felt completely locked out by those massive enterprise-level costs, well, you are in exactly the right place today. Right off the bat, let's address the elephant in the room. Do you actually need hardcore coding skills to build a useful AI agent for your business? For a long time, the answer was a big, resounding yes. You literally needed a whole team of developers just to get a basic prototype off the ground. And naturally, that kept this incredible technology totally out of reach for a lot of small and medium businesses. Historically, businesses have found themselves kind of trapped between two really bad options. On one side, you've got commercial no-code AI platforms. Sure, they're super easy to use, but they charge these hefty subscription fees. It's honestly like a running taxi meter that scales directly with your usage. The more you use it, the more you pay. On the flip side, you have custom development. Building from scratch means hiring expensive developers and making a deep technical investment before you even know if the AI is going to work for your specific workflow. It's a massive gamble. Okay, let's dive into our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the AI cost barrier. Then, enter Flowise no-code AI. Third, we'll explore some real-world business scenarios. Fourth, breaking down the costs. And finally, limitations and the final verdict. All right, Section 1, the AI cost barrier, and why it's historically been an uphill battle. So, the absolute core issue with those commercial platforms is that their fees scale with your adoption. They're usually charging you based on usage value, or maybe conversation count. Think about what that actually means. If you build a successful tool and your team actually uses it, you're essentially punished with an escalating recurring cost. Add that to the deep technical investment you need to build a custom app from scratch, and suddenly prototyping becomes a huge financial risk. It's just too much for most SMEs. Moving on to Section 2, enter Flowise, the no-code AI that serves as the ideal middle ground. Launched back in 2023, Flowise is this brilliant visual AI agent and workflow builder. Now, the absolute best part? It's released under an open source license, meaning the platform itself is entirely free. It gives you this super intuitive drag-and-drop node-based interface. So instead of staring at a screen and writing lines of complex code, you're just visually connecting blocks, or what they call nodes. These represent different logic steps to build your chatbots and automated workflows, all powered by large language models. Now, what's really interesting here is how these features actually translate into real business power. Flowise lets you choose your AI's brain. You can use a commercial API like OpenAI, or even a self-hosted model like Llama. But the real magic? That's in the connectors and the memory. This setup essentially lets your AI read your specific business documents, and crucially, remember the context of past conversations with your users. Plus, you get this slick built-in chat widget to embed right onto your website, along with API access in case your developers want to plug the agent into a custom app down the road. Section 3, real-world business scenarios and practical business uses. Let's see how this actually builds a practical solution for, say, a small business that wants a customer service chatbot. Step 1, you just open up Flowise and pick a pre-built document Q&A template. Easy. Step 2, you use their document loaders to connect your existing product documentation and your FAQs. Then step 3, you grab a few lines of provided code and embed the chat widget directly onto your website. I'm not kidding. A non-developer team member can configure and deploy this whole thing entirely on their own in just a matter of days. It's a total game changer. And just beneath that simple interface is some really serious power. Flowise integrates directly with vector databases. If you're not familiar, this basically allows the AI to perform highly sophisticated searches across massive knowledge bases. It can parse all sorts of file formats, but best of all, because you can self-host Flowise and combine it with free self-hosted large language models, your sensitive business data stays completely on your own infrastructure. You keep 100% control over your data security and ownership, which is absolutely crucial these days. All right, Section 4, let's break down the costs and look at the financial realities. Let's actually compare the numbers because this is brilliantly illustrating the divide here. Look at those commercial platforms on the left. You're looking at $50 to several $100s a month, and that scales aggressively the more you use it. Now, in the middle, a self-hosted Flowise instance running on a really modest server will run you about $20 to $40 a month, plus whatever you pay for your AI API usage. But on the far right, if you combine Flowise with a free, self-hosted AI model like Llama, your total running costs are practically free. Zero platform licensing cost, and the entire pipeline is under your control. Those savings compound massively if you have high interaction volumes.
Now, you do have options for how you actually run this thing. Flowise Cloud is the official managed hosting route. This is perfect if you just want to explore the platform quickly without dealing with any server administration. But if you want that ultimate cost savings and total data control we just talked about, you can use the official Docker deployments. You can get a working self-hosted instance running on your own Node.js compatible server in literally minutes.
Which brings us to Section 5, Limitations, Pitfalls, and our final verdict. All right, putting on my trusted advisor hat for a second. Let's talk about the common mistakes teams make when onboarding with this tech. First up, deploying an AI agent without thoroughly testing it across varied, realistic inputs. You have to test it. Second, ignoring underlying model costs if you're hooked up to a commercial API. Those can sneak up on you fast. Third, blindly connecting sensitive data without thinking through the privacy implications. And fourth, please don't forget to back up your workflow configurations. Because you're building this visually, the logic isn't always super intuitive to review later on. You have to document and back up your work, for sure. We also need to keep our expectations realistic here. Yes, it is a no-code visual builder, but having some basic prompt engineering knowledge is still incredibly beneficial for whoever is configuring the agent. Also, you have to remember that Flowise is a fast-moving, newer project. It gets frequent updates, so it's going to require a little bit of ongoing developer attention. And, if your business needs highly specialized, deeply custom logic, you'll eventually outgrow the pure visual building and need to introduce custom code nodes. It's just the nature of scaling up. But zooming out and looking at the big picture, the source material gives it a completely stellar review. When it comes to ease of setup, it is highly approachable. On functionality per dollar, it honestly delivers unbeatable value, especially when you pair it with those free self-hosted models. Plus, it scales really comfortably as your use cases evolve. So overall, Flowise earns a very strong, definitive recommendation as an accessible entry point for SMEs ready to take the leap into AI. So the crucial point is this. Flowise completely shatters that upfront cost barrier to prototyping sophisticated AI agents. If you've been curious, this is absolutely your starting point. Now, in our next explainer, we're going to be diving into Langflow, which is another phenomenal free visual AI workflow builder that has its own unique strengths. Make sure you subscribe to Uplatz so you don't miss that, and stick with us for the rest of this exciting series on free and open source software for SMEs. I'll leave you with this one thought to chew on. If budget and coding skills were suddenly no longer a barrier, how might you use a free visual AI builder right now to transform your own static business data into a living, interactive resource for your team or your customers? The tools are out there, and they're just waiting for you to build with them. Thanks so much for learning with me today, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.